Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Mountain View Elementary School in Fresno, California, part of the Clovis Unified School District and home of the Golden Bears. I got to share my heart today with grades 1 through 6 in 2 separate assemblies in their MPR in their cafeteria. And the main focus was on positivity, being your best self, right? That we can always have a positive attitude in every area of our lives, whether that's the classroom, the recess playground, the buses that we travel on, our homes, our teams, wherever we're at, we can always maintain a positive attitude and with whoever we're with, right? So whether it's our parents, coaches, teachers, friends, classmates, etc., we can always have a positive mentality. And it really does align with a lot of the signage that you see all across their school campus. And I love the one right here. It's the Golden Bears Golden Rules, right? And what you can see, if I can get past the sunlight here, which is also keeping us very positive today, you see one of these says, do your Golden Bear personal best every day. And we really had that theme throughout the entirety of each assembly, right? That was more age appropriate for each grade level split that we had. And the whole concept was that if we are doing our best and giving our greatest effort, that's really all that matters, right? That true excellence isn't about being the best and having to be number one. You can just do your best and then rest. And if we know that we are just giving it our all, right? That the opposite of success is not failure, but quitting, right? And giving up, if we can just make sure that we keep trying and keep pushing, that's all that truly does matter, right? We keep persevering, and that's all the adults in our life really want, right? That they want us to keep doing our best, and they really, want us to just, give a little bit more, right? Knowing that all of us in some aspect of our life can probably give just a little bit more effort. We think about which areas those are, and then we go and we start doing that, right? And it could be a friendship, it could be in the, with a school subject, it could be, with one of the teams or activities that we're involved with, extracurricular, before school, whatever that might be. And, just making sure that we are truly doing our best. Part of doing our best too is encouraging others the right way. We explored that concept too, that we're having that passion and that energy, that enthusiasm, that if we give our best, if we motivate others around us the best we can, then they're going to want to do it for us too. And they're going to want to give back that 100% effort as well. It's contagious, right? To really spread that type of kindness and that type of positivity. And if we know that we aren't going to compare ourselves to others around us and play that game, that we're just going to keep focusing on our own effort, that's what we want to try to accomplish, and really rid ourselves of any negative thoughts in our mind or in our heart and replace that with something more positive. Because the person we're going to talk to the most in our lives is ourselves, right? And we want to be telling it something kind, that we're actually also being kind to our mind. That's part of thinking positive. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, through some motivational music, through some inspirational videos, I was able to really hammer home a lot of these key concepts about never giving up, about always giving our greatest effort, and about helping others in the process. Another big lesson deals with the shirt that I wear for this assembly. It says, keep your head up, and the words are upside down on purpose. It's a reminder for all of us to keep thinking more positively. If we feel sad or are kind of looking down, it says, hey, keep your head up. And help me out through a lot of the storms that I went through in my life. We talked about how it's easy to stay positive on days like today. The sun's shining, it's a beautiful day, but when it's raining out, literally, or even like in our hearts, there's like that storm going on, something's really negative in our life, it's hard to keep that positive attitude, but we can still do it if we choose to. Right? And that also ties into understanding our value, our worth, our power, our potential. All of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one on each hand, and I traced one of mine here. And this M, I say, stands for Mountain View. No, for miracle, right? That we're all beautiful miracles, upside down W for worthy, that we're, beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. But for students that don't believe this or need a reminder of that, we need to be that light to their heart. And once we're all in, for this earth, doing our best, trying to just every day look at ways that we can maybe give a little bit extra effort, then that's really all that we can ask for, right? And so just really inspiring to see a lot of students came up to me and said, hey, Mr. Peace, your talk was really inspirational. It really touched my heart. And if it did, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. So thank you so much again for a beautiful afternoon with all of you, getting to share my heart here at your school. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year, and make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and you can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.